All right, you guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. We're going to bring you a little full self-driving video. We've got a 20-mile drive. It should take about 28 minutes, but this one's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be kind of like sped up a little bit. So mostly visual. There won't be much commentary. There'll be a little kind of instrumental laid over the visuals. So we hope you enjoy the video, and we'll catch you at the end of the trip. All right, you guys, we made it to our destination without having to intervene, with the exception of the last second. We just took over to park the car. And looky what we got over there. Probably a little hard to see, but we've got a blue M3 in the garage. All right, you guys, that's it for this half of the trip. We'll see you on the back half of the video. All right, you guys, so we just wrapped up this dog training appointment, and you're not gonna believe this, but my client is a salesman at a Porsche dealership. As you can see right there, he is driving a blue M3, so it's got a dealer plate on it, and he's a cool guy, man. He told me that I can go test drive a Porsche anytime. He's gonna put me on the emailing list. I'm gonna be able to do some Porsche events. So I told you guys when I started this channel, yes, I own a Plaid, but I'm a car guy, and how fun would it be to get an opportunity to drive a GT3 RS? I mean, come on, seriously. And even some of the Taycans, that Turbo GT, man, I'd love to drive that thing. So anyways, this appointment's a wrap. We're gonna go ahead and give you a quick FSD drive home, and we'll wrap this video up. See you when we get home. Peace. right, you guys, so we made it home from our full self-driving trip. We're coming from a work appointment, and it just so happens to be a Porsche salesman. So I thought that was cool. After we were done talking dogs, we talked about cars. And so super nice guy. And if I get a chance to drive a Porsche, I'll make sure you guys come along. All right, that's it for this FSD video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.